So I started at Snowbird in 2016 as a liftie. No, I never planned on being a lift mechanic. I actually was planning on leaving after my first season, but I got a job as a helper in the shop, and I became a full-time mechanic in 2019. Being a lift mechanic here at Snowbird is definitely unique. It can be overwhelming at times. Got a lot of jobs up on the towers. You definitely can't be afraid of heights working in this position. Not for the faint of heart. You gotta be willing to just get out there and get the job done, whether it looks like snowmobiling up the mountain in 2 feet of snow, getting out there skiing in avalanche terrain before they've done any mitigation, and getting out there and digging. Sometimes you gotta get out there and dig for 3 hours. Mechanics are the first step in getting the mountain open. We're going out there before snow safety, before they've done any avalanche mitigation or setup. That's basically so we can provide them with a way to get around the mountain. So we get the lift spinning so they can go out and do their job, get back to the top of the mountain and get the mountain open for the public. A mentor once told me a closed mouth doesn't get fed. And I think that's really important for new lift mechanics and helpers to understand that if you want to learn, if you want to get in on projects, you got to ask. You got to meet with your supervisors, your managers, tell them what your goals are and be open to receiving constructive criticism so you can get your hands on the projects that you want. So a lot of times we're out there, making big decisions on projects that no one has really done before. When I started as a helper, I just had a little bit of aptitude and willingness to learn, and that's why I'm here.